problem in there?
Right here.
Jesus. Go swimming?
Yeah.
Whoops. Had a line come off. Basically filling the boat with water the whole time I was running.
Water to the V-drive. Oh, fuck.
We know you did that on purpose so you can slow him down. Damn.
Put your hand on the V-drive so hard. I don't want it. Right? But it's got to come back and part of it. Forgot to tighten the line to the V-drive. Oh, that's not good. The line fell off. Both of them.
Yeah, I noticed when I went around the turn, I was like,
Hey, but why is the water coming out in the center?
Because the way my seal's designed, I have a PYI.
We've got the tight water line.
sorry, buddy, I didn't.
You're good. Don't trip. Don't trip.
That's a wrap. All right, so it's been an awesome day. As you can see, the sun has gone down. We missed our shot light, but it's been an awesome day, full of awesome boats. Everybody had a great time. Barbecue, partying, everybody was responsible.
Yes.
No incidents, no crashes. It's been
what
amazing.
a great crowd too.
Yeah, amazing crowd. So, but walking throughout the day, we noticed this hydro laying around. So I wanted to ask Wade what this hydro was all about. So it's kind of been sitting here like the ugly stepchild while all the other hot boats, you know, you get all the glory out on the water. So what do you know about this boat?
So this boat, it's got a great little story. So a gentleman named Jonah called me a few months back and he said, listen, I understand I can bring stuff out and test out at Weekend Paradise. I'm like, yeah, what do you got? So this boat, his father used to drive back in the 70s. And I believe his dad is either 88 or 84 years old. Well, Jonah found the boat and refurbished it. And he said he was bringing his dad out from back east, brought his dad out, surprised his dad with it, and we put his dad in this boat for the first time in nearly 50 years. And by golly, they fired this thing up. It was really one of those emotional moments where, you know, a father and son, or the son really showed his love for his father and his father's love of boats. And by golly, he took this thing out and he made one great beautiful lap around the lake in it. And you know, the tail's kicking its spray, and it was just one of those really magical things that happen here at Weekend Paradise.
And got before all the crowds got here, the water was still calm.
Definitely. It was just kind of midweek, and so it was just a quiet little intimate setting. And
awesome.
just one of those memorable moments here at Weekend.
Yeah. Dad, don't get any ideas because I'm probably not going to do anything like that for you. But
anyhow, just wanted to share it. It's,
but what is it?
I believe it's a 1976 Sabre Dance Hydro, and it's got a 350 Chevy in it. And listen, it goes. I mean, it goes. It's got.
How did it sound when you were?
It sounded really great. So it's a small block Chevy, and so we're used to the a little bit of noise with the blown motors, but it sounded crisp. It was just a lot of fun. You could hear it all the way out in the lake.
Yeah.
I mean, he made one big giant circle in it, and I idled it out, but. You know, it's just kind of like the unlimited class when they take off, they're spraying water and.
Now, didn't we read something about Bill Munsey in the
I
bio?
believe that it was kind of either he worked on the boat or worked with the building of the boat.
Yeah.
So
and for those that don't know, Bill Munsey, correct me if I'm wrong, kind of the godfather of unlimited hydroplane racing, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. Back in the day.
Yeah, he's the one that actually got the whole San Diego track built for this. The Mission Bay track built for the specific purpose of unlimited hydroplanes. So that's why this is such a cool little little Easter egg, if you will, sitting here. Everybody's walking by it, nobody's really appreciating it. So
it really, I mean, it's up close. It's really been. It's a hand-done boat. You know, one of the old, good wooden boats.
You can see the hand-shaped wood. I mean, it even looks earlier. Maybe I'd say 60s if I had to guess. But, it's cool. I love it.
It's just great, and thank you for taking the time to mention it, man.
And
really appreciate it.
For a great day.
You
Thanks.
bet.
We'll see. I can't wait to see you next year.
Right.
All
Great.
Right.
Thanks so much.
All right, take care.
Happy New Year.
All right.
All you guys, Happy New Year.